Guys, can you believe it's fall already? Summer has come and gone so fast, and I always never do as much as I want it to do. But anyways, it's sweater weather, and it's getting kind of chilly out. But I was riding some single track, and of course, whenever you're not recording, that's when something interesting happens. And I was going across this bridge. My front tire fell off the bridge. It wasn't very high up, and my rear tire was still on there. I didn't fall or lay it down or anything, but eventually I got the rear tire off as well, but I broke the chain guard, and it took me a while to get back on the trail. But this is the second time I've broken that thing, and with a few of your guys' suggestions, I went ahead and got an aluminum one that is made for a TW. And I'm gonna give this a try. It didn't cost that much, and it's nice and light, so let's go ahead and see how it fits. To remove it, it's just these two 10mm bolts. So this should be a direct fit for the TW200, and it definitely looks like it. They're even the same thickness. Next, go ahead and remove these little spacers, and you can just use one of the bolts to get the edge of it. Next, just install the spacers on the new one. Pretty simple. Snug fit there. It's definitely a good idea to put a little bit of blue Loctite on the bolts, because you really don't want these things backing out, hitting the car behind you or the bike. Line it up and thread the bolts in by hand. Once you got them threaded in, you can go ahead and run them down. And then make sure they're nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten them and strip them out, but you don't want them loosening up either. And I didn't see any torque specs in the manual, because I like to include those if I can, but they just need to be nice and snug. You'll kind of feel them stop. So there you have it, a simple little mod for the TW200. And also, you may have to bend this in or out, depending on if the mounting bracket was bent while the other one was being broken. And you don't want it touching the chain, but you don't want it too far from the chain. So that looks about good right there. And one of the downsides to having an aluminum guard like this that I could think of is that it could actually break that mounting bracket off, or it could bend into the chain and jack up the chain. So that's something to think about. I'll let you guys know if I have any issues with that. But I thought I would give it a try and see how it does. And you really don't want to ride without one of these on here, because branches or something could get sucked into the chain or your fingers, and that wouldn't be good. But I guess I'll be the guinea pig and see how it works out compared to the plastic one. Anyways, guys, I have a lot of videos to make. I think I'm going to be making a TDubsKid show soon. So if you have any ideas for that, let me know down in the comments below. And I also got a new tail bag that I got from motocampnerd.com, and I'll be making a video on that. And I have so many videos still that I haven't edited. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and be sure to go on your own adventure out there, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.